All right, I got a fun one for you today. So here we have the fiber D-Mark. We're gonna have to come out of this closet, which is of course under some steps. So we're gonna come out of this closet, we're gonna ride this wall up. Go all the way up the steps. Into this suite, which is gonna be like an Airbnb. And then the laundry room here, they have some coax here. I'm gonna be replacing 2 of those with Cat 5 because they're going with IPTV, but only one of the suites is ready now, so they're only doing the one. So yeah, I'm gonna cut a little access panel in over here to try and help me drill down through that top plate, hopefully get into that wall under the steps, and see if we can not make a mess. You know, as a cable guy, you hate to see spray foam insulation. It really just makes your job harder than it needs to be. But that's the pipe I was measuring based off of, so hit it right on the money. I'm gonna try and drill down next to it here, because that actually runs down the same wall that I'm trying to get these cables down. So, cool, on to the next step. Okay, so unfortunately we had to go to plan B. This wall, and I was afraid of this, but this wall does not line up with the wall upstairs. They're off by about 6 inches. So unfortunately, that little hole right there, that's where we're gonna have to come out. So I'll put a junction box up there and then just stub out a little bit of conduit to get us into this wall and down to our D-Mark point. So not too big of an issue, but you always gotta be flexible when you run cable. So we got the cables fed up to the 2nd floor, and now we got them up the wall. They're up in the attic space now, so I'm gonna pull the rest of the slack up and get it fed over to where their TV and network equipment's gonna be. You don't always win the lottery when it comes to attic spaces. Dealt with worse, but it'd be a lot easier if I didn't have to crawl. All right, got the cable ran to both TVs, behind that TV there. Then we go in the bathroom of all places to TV number 2. And again, those both run back to this IDF that they'll be setting up here. You see my junction box that I put in right there. And now I just gotta finish off those 2 lines downstairs. All right, got the D-Mark finished up. Cables run up. Pop out through that wall into that junction box. From there, they go up. So no wire showing, nice clean. I wish I could have got the cables, you know, all the way in the wall, but the walls just didn't line up in this instance. So there's only so much you can do most of the time, and as long as no wires are showing, that's really the most customers can ask for. So I'll take it.